Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today I think we could return back to discussion on the New Zealand dollar. So major event of this week for New Zealand has happened. So Reserve Bank of the New Zealand keeps the rate at the same level, 1.75%, and mostly this was expected, but the upward reaction that we see right now on intraday charts on the New Zealand dollar mostly was driven by suggestion of some uncertainty about the new government programs where the central bank probably will take the part in realization of these programs, and government spending and house building and other programs. And this was treated by investors as the hint on the possible high inflation and more hawkish policy from the Reserve Bank. But and so of course this is just mostly some kind of the just phantom expectation, so it's not confirmed yet by real steps from by the government, by the central bank, so it's just some minor hint. As a result, this reaction was up, but it was not really very significant. And as we already have all information in place, now we could return back to discussion of our technical picture. So a couple of weeks ago when the market starts bouncing here, we said it's not time yet to take the position on some major reversal on the New Zealand dollar, mostly because we have uncompleted ABCD pattern. So we have this ABC top 1618 target that stands below these lows. And when we have such kind of the situations, it's not really very comfortable to take the long position when you know that market could drop and touch this area. So in this upper direction, market mostly is forming some kind of the could call as the flag pattern or something of that sort. It's consolidation. Definitely this is not a reversal yet. We do not see any signs of thrust here. That's why overall situation suggests that this drop still could happen. Reaction that has started here mostly was due reaching of the oversold. So you can see how the trend distillator shows the oversold level here in previous lows. So that was a reaction just of the market just to exit, abandon the oversold condition. That has happened. I mean, from the technical point of view, of course, we have some fundamental events, some relief in the political turmoil that previously was standing in the New Zealand dollar due to the elections. But now we're talking on the technical reasons, and technical reason is the oversold, previous supports of the lows, and market shows minor bounce up here. But at the same time, we have uncompleted target, and we said, so here we need to keep an eye on the resistance on some possible bearish reversal patterns that could be formed on intraday charts. And right now, the result of today's central bank meeting in New Zealand, we've got two important moments. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, first of all, market has completed finally the harmonic swing with this upward action. So you can see harmonic swing, this leg equals to that one, has been completed. And that's the area that we have suggested to watch for previously. So this is 69.70 as fib level, weekly pivot resistance one, monthly pivot point. This area is very important for us because, especially the weekly pivot resistance one, because this is some kind of the indicator on the market. And usually when the market stands in the retracement of the long-term bearish trend, pivot resistances usually hold upward retracement. So that's the indicator. While pivot resistance one holds the retracement, holds upward action, it means that this is just retracement and trend is still intact. If market breaks this, it tells that that probably could be reversal, and at least some upward direction probably will continue, and this not the retracement. So, and currently, as you can see, market stands in these areas. It's very important for us. Also, by the way, as you can see, another reason for this upward reaction is completion of this minor AB equals CD pattern. So, the pattern that I'm talking about is the butterfly cell that has been formed on the hourly chart. So you can see it has been completed. This upward action was due to the decision on the rate. Market finally has jumped up, completed this harmonic swing, and created this butterfly cell. So butterfly cell is reversal pattern. The only risk factor that we have here is this rally. So it's not always market continues move up after the strong action, but it happens very often. So when the butterfly reaches the 127 extension, you see fast acceleration right to the target. This increased chance that market could continue to the 1618 or even high levels. That's why currently some kind of the consolidation starts to form. Maybe market will drop down, but this is just risk factor you should take in consideration. Make decision by yourself whether you will bet on this butterfly and take the short with the expectation of the downward, or you will be watching for more clarity. So you need to get more signs that this indeed has happened. I mean, downward action. So this is just a question of the mentality of the trader and money management, some other issues. So if market will break this area to the upside and exceed these both pivots, break this level, it will mean that we will get action right to the 70-60 area. This is confidence resistance, previous lows, and that will be some kind of the ABCD and doubles of the harmonic swing. So this approximately will be some kind of the ABCD action probably. So that's the, as I call it, the culmination point. So culmination point leads gives you a chance to take the position with a very small loss, potential loss, tight stop loss. Because usually in the culmination points, market either starts to action in your direction or fail the setup totally. So it means that if market will break this area, the culmination point, it means that the upward action will be significant. That's why when market stands at such points, you could take in place relatively tight stop. So, and right now, as you can see, New Zealand dollar stands particularly in this area. But if even retracement will become stronger, it will not cancel the overall idea with this 1618 target. So it's really big chances that later market could turn down and drop to complete this ABCD extension. So let's keep watching what will happen. Right now, New Zealand situation is really interesting.